you guys, so I thought that I'm going to Dubai but change in plans because now we are also going to Goa. I literally had to cancel my flights to Dubai and rebook because this whole Goa thing happened, but you all will know why I'm going to Goa and I'm so grateful that I'm not complaining at all. But anyway, so we are like obviously gonna prep, we are gonna pack all the things, and there's just so much happening. Right now I'm going to the mall because I need to find like a good blingy bag which I'm gonna wear in Goa, and Anik needs to buy like a suitcase. Me and Anik both are going to Dubai, so that's that. And yeah, that's what's been up. I am flying to Goa on 17th and today it's 15th, and I only have today's day to pack everything because tomorrow I have a couple of appointments because we're gonna do all our girly beauty things. So that's what's gonna happen tomorrow. But yeah, okay, Anik is down waiting for me, so let's go. I think I'm sure that I'll be able to pack everything properly. I know I can do it, Muskan, you got this. I can forget anything, but a fit check, no. Successful because we both got what you also got, but yeah, we both came looking in for particular things and we found those, and now we're gonna go eat something. Hungry peeps. It's gonna be like a breakfast brunch. Okay, I'm home now. I have never been so stressed, literally. So let me explain what's happening. I have to go to Goa for this certain event, and I literally cancelled my flight because I was firstly going from Mumbai to Dubai on 17th, but the event is on 17th, so I cancelled my flight and booked it for 18th. And then I booked my return from Goa to Mumbai for like midnight. Now the thing is that the event might get delayed and whatever, and there are no more midnight flights. Now I have to rebook my flight from Mumbai to Dubai again, or I have to change the date or whatever. So I'm just waiting for the people who have booked my flight from Goa to Mumbai to change it to morning, and then I'm gonna come back to Mumbai in the morning, and then I'm gonna wait at the airport and take like an afternoon flight from Mumbai to Dubai. And I know it's all very confusing, even for me it is, but yeah, I am a little bummed because now I'm only in Dubai for like what, 2 days or 3 days, and it's fine. I don't know, at least I should start packing now, because if I don't, then I'll keep thinking about the same thing and just feel bad. But it's okay, I'm going for a good event. It's a great event, it's gonna be fun. And yeah, okay, that's like a quick update. I don't even have my own suitcase with me. I literally am packing everything that I'm carrying to Dubai in this. I literally pulled out some pictures from Instagram right now just to have like an idea what kind of outfits, I want to pack and wear. So this is like a mood board I have in mind. Very white and beige, black. So I don't want to pack too many colors. I am packing a few colorful stuff, but mostly this time I'm packing basic colors, neutral colors, or maybe like red and all of that. I think I have my outfits sorted. Also, this brand Closet Hues, they send me such cute outfits. Guys, you all will see. They look stunning. If you're going on a vacation, please check them out. No, they're not paying me to say this. They were just nice enough to be like, okay, we want to send you outfits, and like they came on time, so I tried them on and they all look so good. And yeah, okay, now I'm gonna start packing everything in my cubes. These are the cubes that I use. They're from Amazon. I ordered them last year. I did my Thailand packing also in these. They're so like, they just keep everything organized and I love those vibes. So just gonna put stuff like dresses and bottoms and everything. I'll just segregate them. Okay, you guys, after many hours and many mental breakdowns, I have done my packing almost. I'm usually not this messy with my packing, but there's just so much going on that yeah, I was just like, I was overwhelmed. And it's okay, it's fine. I've done majority of it and I have tomorrow's day as well, so I will just cross check everything, make sure everything is proper and final. But right now I've called for my favorite boba tea. I feel like only that can fix me. I literally just like freshened up and I was like, I need something to drink. So we have my favorite. It's Thai tea. It's from this brand called Boba Cat and I hope it hits. I did not even like order for like a smaller one. I was like, I need the large one. So yeah, I really hope it's good. It's usually good, but like yeah, sometimes they mess it up. Okay, you guys, it's actually really good. Okay, so while having this now, I will plan my content. I do this before every trip and I feel like I just know that okay, this needs to be short and this needs to be done. This is what I'm gonna, you know, this is how I'm gonna pose. I also will be making like a Pinterest board for like photo inspo, like the kind of pictures I wanna click. Yeah, all of that I do before trip always. And I mean, I do it because I'm a creator, but like I feel like in general, at least you should have like a photo inspo page on Pinterest before your vacation. So we're gonna make that. I'm gonna write a few, you know, like ideas that I have in mind that I'm gonna shoot in Dubai. Maybe something I can shoot in Goa as well. So literally nothing fancy. I've just like created this note and it says Dubai content and I'm just gonna type out, and if I have some reference link, I'm gonna put those. And yeah, for now, today, this would be my last task. After that, I am sleeping. I am done. I'm tired. We are using Notion to plan our trip, literally writing everything time to time, and yeah, hoping that this turns out to be good. Also guys, the setup is so crazy. Like so cute.
Don't show the booking.
Yeah, so cute. You guys, guess what happened? I got my period and so now I cannot go for my laser appointment. I mean, I could have gone, but then the lady was like, if you think you might get a little uncomfortable, then it's okay, don't push yourself. And I feel like I actually didn't want to push myself because I will be in pain. And we could have avoided that area and like everything around that area, but then I have to go again, and you know, after I'm done with my periods. So I was like, it's fine, I'll just come after the trip. So right now I think I'm just gonna shave my hands, my legs, at least that I can do. And then I have my nail appointment, so I think I should quickly just get in the shower and yeah, shave myself. It's been a while actually. I've not shaved in quite some time, but let's do it now. Okay guys, I'm leaving for my nails appointment and my cab is coming. I have to be there in 10 minutes. I should be there. It's near my house for the very first time. I was supposed to be there at 12:30. Okay, I will be like 5-7 minutes late, but it's okay. I have put zero effort into my outfit because I just feel a little tired. Maybe it's my periods, I don't know. But wearing a basic like striped shirt, my bag, and like denims. Guys, I literally left my house at 12:30 and look at the time right now. It's almost 6. I am tired. Being a girl sometimes is tiring, but I loved all the things that I got today. I got my hair done. Nothing major, just like a quick blow dry. They look so neat now. Also, this is how my nails look and I think I'm liking them a lot. So earlier I was gonna go for like a chrome finish, but then I got like basic white and this silver French tip, and I think they are giving Dubai, they are giving awards, they are giving that kind of vibe. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, I think I have done all my maintenance beauty kind of rituals. I also shaved. I'm super soft. I got my pedicure. My feet look super clean, not showing it to you all. My hands are clean, my arms are clean, everything is perf. And now I just have to do some finishing touches to my packing. I have to pack my bags and all, and I have to order my girly essentials because your girl got her periods. So let me do that. My orders just came in. Let me quickly show you guys everything I ordered. So this is like a body razor that I ordered. Then we have some sanitary pads. Then we also have this bikini razor, and this is like a set of tampons. I have never used tampons, but I might have to on my trip to Dubai because obviously I'm going to like beach clubs and all, and I can't be wearing, you know, like normal pads. So I thought that it's a good time to experiment. Then oh, this is like a pair of nipple pasties. Mine just got like, I don't know, the glue went off. So yeah, and lastly just a basic protein bar because obviously I'll need something to snack on. Anyways, so let me like quickly pack all of these things in my bags and then I am going to sleep because I need to wake up tomorrow a little early. My flight is at 11 a.m. and I am not going to Dubai tomorrow. I was supposed to, but I'm not. I'm actually flying to Goa. Okay guys, so this is what I'm carrying tomorrow with me to Goa. I have my handbag, then this small bag, my neck pillow, and this basic cabin bag which I might give for check-in. And then this is what we have for Dubai. So I'm gonna come back to my house and collect all of this. I will change into this outfit. These are all my documents and everything, and yeah, so basically I am all set. That's it you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know this has been a bit of a chaotic pack and prep with me, but that's the fun of it, and I'm so excited to be... Who has come right now? A random parcel from Clinique came in and I think it has what I wanted for so long. I think it has some black honey lipstick. yup, it has almost lipstick, and these are in two shades. One is pink honey, one is black honey. Wow, I mean, such a nice way to end the vlog and end my night. I'm so happy. Thank you, Team Clinique. This is so random. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in Dubai. Bye.